In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a diagram in Lucidchart. By the end, you'll know how to open the site, browse the template library, pick the right starting point, and quickly tailor the diagram to match your needs. Start by opening your preferred browser and going to lucidchart.com. Give the page a moment to load so all the editor tools are ready when you start working. If you're taken to a dashboard, that's perfect, you're in the right place. If you land on the home page, you can still explore and launch templates from there. On the right side of the interface, look for the option labeled More Templates and click it. This opens the full template gallery, which is the fastest path to a professional looking diagram. You'll see categories like flowcharts, org charts, mind maps, and technical diagrams, along with a search bar if you already know what you're after. Take a moment to hover over templates and preview the layout and style. Use this time to think about your goal. Are you mapping a process, explaining a system, or outlining a hierarchy? Choosing a template that's close to your end result will save time later. When you find the layout you want, select the diagram and click Use. Lucidchart will create a copy in your workspace and open it on a fresh canvas. You'll notice zoom controls, a shapes panel, and formatting options along the sides. These are the tools you'll use to make the template your own. Now customize your diagram. Click any shape to edit its text. Just start typing to replace the placeholder content. Drag shapes to rearrange the flow and use the connecting handles that appear around a selected shape to draw lines between steps. If a connector isn't routing the way you want, adjust it by dragging the elbow points or switch between straight and curved lines in the line style options. To keep everything tidy, select multiple shapes and use Align and Distribute to even out spacing. You can change colors, borders, and fonts in the formatting panel, or apply a theme for a consistent look across the entire page. Resize shapes by dragging their corners, and zoom out occasionally to confirm the overall structure still makes sense. If you need more symbols, open additional shape libraries and drag in what you need. Remember that undo is your friend while experimenting, and your work auto-saves as you go, so you won't lose progress. And that's it. You've created a diagram in Lucidchart, starting from a template and customizing it to communicate clearly.